So if you've taken AP Computer Science, then you should already have Eclipse installed. But if you aren't that cool, you can go ahead and install it. Just Google it. Every version they come out with a new name, Photon, Neon, whatever it is, just get the most recent one. And you definitely, the Java, the JDK, you may want to have that installed first as well. SE just means Standard Edition. You're going to want that over something like EE, which is Enterprise Edition, which is not something you need. So get Java installed, and then you don't need any of that. Get Eclipse installed. Just follow the instructions here. This will change over time. This is the one that you need. Lean on 64-bit. Your processor. You're not using a 32-bit processor, I don't think. And then now we need to update a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so this is just further installing. Yep, all this stuff. You might need to set up your JDK. Basically, you'll know it's working that if you can go and start a new Java project and you can make a simple class that just says hello world, and then you can run this thing. You can either run it here or you can run it here, but it just runs and says hello. Cool. You've got Eclipse set up, you've got Java set up, you're golden. I mean, these instructions are not too bad. So all we do now for the next thing is we copy this guy, we go to Eclipse, where's Eclipse? We go File, and Eclipse. Wait, I was looking at the PC installation. Install new software. Oh, it's in Help. Okay. Help. Install new software. And we paste that. Ta-da! I don't need the C++. That's not going to happen. What do we got? Yep. All that looks good. Except I've read this thoroughly many times over. Okay. If you get a security warning, we're going to go ahead and install anyway. It's not signed through Eclipse, but we trust that WPI, Worcester Polytechnic Institute over in Massachusetts, knows what they're doing. The LabVIEW stuff is useful, but really only critical if you are running a driving station, on our team at least. So we're not going to be using LabVIEW for vision processing or any of that kind of programming. So it's only really needed for the driving station. That it's critical for. Okay, so now that this is done, our next step is going to be installing Strongback, and I will get to that right quick next.